Now I want to demonstrate you the dismounting the sensor and opening the bottom of the sensor to look inside the measuring chamber for deposit and dirt. What you can see here, there are two tubes connected to the sensor. One is signed with line in, the other is signed with line out. So the water is coming in from the bottom here and it's flowing over this way. You have a gray cable which is bearing all the electrical connections from the computer to the interior computer of the sensor. And here you see a lock which we open. First we take off the tubes. There you have to unscrew it, the connector of the sensor. Here you see this is a screw. You have to move it carefully. That's if you close it, that's not blocking. Okay, and now I have to tear a little bit and just take the sensor out, which was hooked on two pins, and here there's a snap in for the lock. Now we see the sensor from the bottom. This is a lid to the measuring chamber, and we have to open 4 screws to look inside the measuring chamber. Okay, I take it up. You see, oops, I have to look for it. There's an O-ring here. I take out the screws now. 1, 2, 3, 4. You have to care for the O-ring. If you dismount it, there might be dirt, especially sediments there. You have to clean the O-ring and also this notch here. And for the moment everything is clean because it's a factory, but there may be a lot of dirt deposits here. You have to clean this with a tissue paper, and maybe also use a brush to clean the connector.
What about inside the chamber? Should be...
Yeah, we have to...
textile maybe?
I want to show with... There on the bottom you see 2 screws maybe, and these 2 screws are from the piston, the cleaning piston, which is moving until the top here, more or less, of the sensor. There's a O-ring which is cleaning the cylinder of glass for the measurements.
So monthly we should do this cleaning, annually? In your point of view?
Every 3 months.
Every 3 months. Okay, that's good. Then we...
Later you have to clean the O-ring. You have to put in place. Don't forget it, otherwise it's leaking, and then you have to close it. This you never have to open because then you are inside the
Which
set.
one? Once more?
These 2
yes,
never open.
Okay.
And then you have to put these 4 screws back. Now I put back the sensor, and I tear the lock. Now it's down and then the lock is snapping in. I have to find the correct position of the connector and then screw the connector and I have to refit the tubes to the tube connectors. Okay. That was refitting the sensor to the old position after cleaning it.